So, what are the best things to sell on OfferUp? Are you looking to make extra money by selling items you no longer need? OfferUp is one of the best platforms to turn unused goods into cash. Whether you're clearing out your home or looking for a side hustle, knowing what items sell well is key to success. By focusing on the most in-demand categories, you can maximize your chances of making quick sales. In this video, I'll show you the best things to sell on OfferUp and why these items perform exceptionally well in this online marketplace. First up, electronics. One of the most popular categories on OfferUp is electronics. Items such as smartphones, laptops, tablets, and gaming consoles consistently attract buyers. Countless people look for gently used electronics at a lower price, which makes this category a fantastic option for sellers. Ensure that the electronics you sell are in excellent working condition and include any necessary accessories, such as chargers or cases. Buyers always appreciate a clear package, and they're more likely to purchase from sellers who provide clear product details and photographs. Offering competitive pricing and transparent descriptions can lead to quick sales. So let's look at furniture. Furniture is another heavily sought after category on OfferUp. Used sofas, dining tables, and bedroom sets are frequently in high demand, particularly among individuals who are moving or redecorating their homes. High quality, gently used furniture tends to sell quickly, but to increase your chances of selling, ensure that you post clear images showing the condition of the furniture and mention any specific details, such as dimensions and sizes, materials and colours. Additionally, it helps to offer delivery or assistance with transport, as this can be a significant factor for buyers considering large items. On to baby and kids items. Baby and kids items, including strollers, toys and baby clothes, are always in demand on OfferUp. Since children grow quickly, many parents look for affordable ways to buy gently used items. Popular products in this category include cribs, high chairs, and, well, educational toys as well. Items that are clean and in excellent condition tend to sell fast. As with other categories though, providing detailed descriptions, clear images, and highlighting the brand name can help increase buyer interest. Safety is also an important consideration when selling baby items, so make sure the products meet safety standards. Now let's look at vehicles. Another category that thrives on OfferUp is vehicles. People use OfferUp to buy and sell cars, trucks, motorcycles, and even bicycles. Vehicles are expensive items that, with proper marketing, can yield substantial profits. Make sure that you provide all necessary details about the vehicle, including mileage, condition, and service history. Posting multiple high-quality images from various angles will increase buyer trust and interest. Offering a reasonable price and being responsive to inquiries are critical when selling vehicles, as potential buyers may be looking at multiple listings. So let's take a look at appliances. Home appliances such as refrigerators, washing machines, and microwaves are always a favourable choice for OfferUp sellers. Many buyers prefer to buy second-hand appliances at a fraction of the cost of new ones. However, to sell successfully in this category, ensure that the appliances are fully functional and well maintained. Clear descriptions, along with photos that showcase the condition of the appliance, are crucial to making a sale. You may also want to offer delivery services or work with buyers to arrange transportation, as this can make your listing more appealing. Now, looking at sporting goods and outdoor equipment next. On OfferUp, people frequently buy sporting goods like bicycles, exercise equipment, and camping gear. These items are ideal for those looking to start new hobbies or continue their fitness routines without spending too much on brand new equipment. Additionally, seasonal outdoor items such as tents, grills, and patio furniture sell well, especially during specific times of the year. To increase your chances of selling sporting goods, make sure the items are clean, functional, and have a clear description, highlighting any important features. So, in conclusion, selling on OfferUp can be a lucrative opportunity if you focus on items that are in high demand. Electronics, furniture, baby items, vehicles, appliances, and sporting goods are among the top categories that perform exceptionally well on the platform. By providing detailed descriptions, clear images, and competitive pricing, you can boost your chances of making a quick sale. Keep these categories in mind the next time you are looking to sell, and you'll likely see success. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on selling on OfferUp and other platforms. See ya!